Are you combating false claims of domestic violence by your spouse or partner? Combating false claims of domestic violence is challenging, especially when you consider the Me Too movement, the court's propensity to believe the petitioner, and the low evidentiary standard required to grant a protective order to the petitioner in Maryland. Accordingly, it is essential to read the allegations carefully, gather contradictory evidence, identify contradictions, and prepare for a trial. Here are some steps you must consider when you're preparing to defend against false claims of domestic violence. 1. Do not communicate at all with the accuser or anyone close to them. 2. Stay away from the physical location where the accuser is. 3. Stay calm and collected. Dealing with false accusations is emotionally challenging, but it's crucial to keep your cool throughout this process. 4. Avoid any actions or behaviors that could be perceived as aggressive or retaliatory. Do not communicate, whether in writing or verbally, to the accuser or anyone close to them. 5. Do not try to convince the accuser to drop the accusation. 6. Document everything. Gather evidence, including records of all communications and interactions with the accuser, including conversations, emails, and everything else that could give you evidence to defend yourself against the false allegations. 7. Gather witnesses and evidence. If anybody was there to see the alleged incident, try to collect their statements or testimony. Work with an attorney to do this. You want to avoid being accused of trying to communicate indirectly, or even worse, being accused of threatening the accuser. Additionally, gather any relevant evidence such as photographs, videos, or other documents that can support your case. 8. Consult with a lawyer. It is essential to seek counsel from an experienced attorney who specializes in family law and is familiar with the bias in the judiciary against men who are responding to allegations of domestic violence. This bias assumes anger and aggression. A lawyer can help you navigate the legal process, protect your rights, and develop a strong defense strategy. 9. Cooperate with investigations. While it's essential to defend yourself against false accusations, it's equally crucial to cooperate with any investigations or inquiries that are initiated. Avoid any appearance of obstruction or noncompliance, as it may harm your case. 10. Seek counseling or therapy. Dealing with false allegations can take a toll on your mental health and emotional well-being. Consider seeking counseling or therapy to help you cope with stress, anxiety, and the other emotional challenges that you may well face during this time. 11. Maintain a support system. Surround yourself with friends, family, or support groups who can offer emotional support and understanding during this extremely difficult period. 12. Avoid engaging in public disputes. While it may be tempting to defend yourself publicly, engaging in public disputes or discussions with the accuser can negatively impact your case and reputation. Instead, focus on resolving the matter privately and through the appropriate legal channels. 13. Be patient and persistent. Resolving false claims of domestic violence can be a lengthy and stressful process. Be patient. Be persistent in pursuing the truth and clearing your name. Let your attorney handle the legal matters and listen to what they say. False claims of domestic violence can have severe consequences for both the accused and the accuser, so it's crucial to handle the situation responsibly and in a way that ensures justice for everyone involved and minimizes the false narrative that is being pushed against you. My name is Chris Kazmarek. I am an attorney with Paré Associates. Give me a call and we can start developing your defense strategy.